Good afternoon, student. Just wait for 2 minutes. Our friends may have to go join. Good afternoon, students. Listen carefully. Now we are going to discuss about the next concept. Before that, we have the page number. In a page number 71. Okay, we have some questions based on a graphical representation. Yes. In that one, there is a linked answer questions and assertion and reasoning questions are there. Yes, IIT advanced practice sheet is there. Yes, G advanced practice sheet is there. Yes, and here in this one, assertion and reasoning question. If the velocity time graph is a curve, then the body has a variable velocity and a variable acceleration. Yes, if the velocity time graph is a straight line and moving away from the velocity time axis, and if the slope is a negative, then the body has a negative acceleration. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is what they consider. If the velocity of time graph is a curve, then the body has a variable velocity and a variable acceleration. There is a both given here. Okay, clear or not? This is the question number 1. The velocity and the time graph. Which one? This is the velocity and as well as the time graph we are considering. And what it says actually is that it is the velocity and it is the time. It will be given the variable of velocity and as well as the variable of acceleration also given by it. Understood, all the students? The both are given by it. Velocity of okay, velocity, the varied in the time. It is also given the what? It is also given the velocity change and as well as with the time velocity change means acceleration. Both are given by it. Okay, this is the first concept. The second concept is assertion actually. The assertion said it is correct. And next, what the reason is given? Yes, if the velocity time graph is a straight line and moving away from the velocity time axis and its slope is in case negative. Okay, somewhere it will be negative. Suppose I am taking here like this it is. Okay, clear or not? Otherwise, I am taking the graph is like this. There is a key where it is a straight line, it will go away from the our time axis. Okay, at that time there is acceleration somewhat becomes negative. Okay, why? Because there is a y2 minus y1. Slope is equal to taken as what? Yes, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 may get for us. There is in case it is a minus, there it is acceleration to become what? Slope is to become what? V by t minus of v by t. This is indicate the deceleration. That is the called negative. Okay, clear or not? In this particular way, the graph is there, na? It will be shown there is about acceleration, then next it is the deacceleration. Got it? Yes, that is why the reason is correct, and as well as assertion is also correct, and it is explanation of the assertion. Okay, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Got it or not? Yes, this is only A. Answer is A. Understood or not? Answer is A here. Question answer is A. Next, second one. Find. Yes, this linked answer questions are given here. The displacement and time graph is shown in below. Okay, now there is a given. The graph is a given here like that. This is a 5. This is a 10. This is a 15. This is a 20. This is a 25. And next, there is a graph is started from here, and it is a what? The time is given 1, 2, and after that the 3, 4, and the 5. Okay, the given pattern, and next is 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? There is a totally 13 seconds are given. Yes, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14 is the time given. It is a given displacement. D value is given here. Now, what happened here? There is a suddenly, yes, within the 2 seconds, then it comes to here. Okay, here or not? Yes, all the students. Where it means a 2 seconds, is a come to here. Yes, and it will be reaches to here. Next, after 50 seconds, yes, up to 8 seconds again it will be reaches to 40. Yes, 38 seconds it is. Somewhat. And next graph increases again at the 25. Where at 12 second. This is the graph they given for us. Yeah. From that one, there is a 3 questions are there. First question, yes, in that one, second question. Find the velocity along AB. There is it will be taken as AB, C, and as well as the D, and as well as A. A to the B. What is the velocity is there here? Yes, you know very well. The slope is equal to taken as what? The slope is equal to taken as velocity V. That is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here, what is the x1? 0. What is the x2? 2. And what is the y1 here? Y1 is here 25, and y2 is here what actually we consider? Yes, 10 only. Yes, 10. Y2 is a 10 here. 10 minus, yes, and as well as it is around 25 by 0 minus 2 minus 0. It is equal to taken as, yes, minus 50 by 2. Okay, got it or not? Now, the answer is minus 7.5. Answer is for this one is what? Minus 7.5 meter per second. The minus indicates what here? It is indicate the decreasing of velocity. Yes, the particle is a decrease of velocity at some particular time. It is at somewhat height or somewhat at a distance. Yes, suddenly it is a decreases the displacement and it reaches to the point B. What it said actually, according to this, there it will be decreasing with the time. decreasing its velocity. With the time, there is a velocity is a decreases at B here. And next to come to here, B to C. And here B to C, there is a velocity along a DE. Okay, from here to here, the velocity they are for us. Okay, the second answer completed. Yeah, once take it here, third answer. All the students write third answer. The physics, you know very well all. Okay, no doubt it all na. Yeah. Now there it is. What we are taken. Yeah. Here we taken it as the third one. What the third one said for us? Yeah. Third one is a set for us. Find the velocity along DE. Find the velocity along DE. Yes. DE means what? From here to here. Yes. What is the coordinates in the D? It is the I and as well as the 20. Okay, clear or not all the students? 8 is the seconds, 20 is the meters. And at the E, there it is a 12, comma, is the 25. Okay, clear or not? These are the things are there. Now, the velocity become what? Velocity is nothing but slope only. Slope nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 here. Here, what is the x? Y1, x2, x1, y1 and x2, y2 here. What is the y2 here? 25. What is the y1 here? 20. What is the time here? Okay, 12 seconds. What is the time here? 8 seconds. Now it become what? It become 5 by 4. Okay, clear or not? 5 by 4 it is. Now it will become what? 5 by 4 means yes 1.25 meter per second. Okay, the answer is 1.25 meter per second. Okay, now that will become what? That is the A. Answer is A. Okay, now second answer is yes C. Please note down these two. This is the first second answer. Simply we are taken it is yeah. This is only the answer for a second one. Yes, next come to the yes fourth one. Yes, what is the fourth question here? Find the average velocity along CE. Find the average velocity along CE. Yes, where is the CE is there? From C to D there is one velocity and D to E another velocity is there. We already know the D to E what is the velocity is there. From this third answer what we have, these are the linked answer questions already. One is the linked with another one. Yes, CD and as well as the D. D is the what is the velocity at the D? 1.25. Now we have to find out what is the CD here. Understand all the students? What is the velocity at the CD? Yes. What is the velocity at the CD? Yes, that is CD purpose. We are taken what is the values are there here. The points are 5, 10. Okay, clear or not? Now there is a what we have y2 is a 20. Okay, now y1 is a 10, and as well as there is a velocity. The time is here 8 seconds. It is about 5 seconds. Now it is become what 10 by okay 3. Okay, approximately 3.33. Got it or not? Yes, D C to D 3.33. Average velocity from where to where we required, C to E we required. Okay, clear or not? Now it will become what? CD velocity. Okay, now velocity at CD plus DE velocity by 2. Okay, clear or not? At that time, we'll get the average velocity of CD. Now, it is become what it becomes. Now, it is equal to taken as 1.3, sorry, 3.33 plus 1.25 by 2. Okay, clear or not? Now, I'll get it. 3.33 plus 1.25 by 2. That will become what actually 4. Okay, 78. Okay, now yes, 4.78. Okay, and automatically it is become what now? Yes, got it or not, all the students? I hope you got it. It is now there is a fourth answer. Finally, it is equal to average of C to E. Yes, that is become what? 3.33 plus 1 plus 1.25 by 2. Yes, what is velocity? Average velocity along the yes, the total CE. Now, how much it is? Tell me. One three. 10 by 3 it is 3. Now there it is become 4 points. What is that? 5 by 2. Yes, it is approximately 2.26. Okay, now the average velocity is 2.26 meter per second. Okay, the answer is given as wrong. Okay, the D answer D make is become correct. Okay, they given 2.1, but there is answer is 2.26 meter per second only. Okay, no doubt at all. Sometimes the answer may given wrong. Our process is correct, no problem. You know very well what is the velocity C to D. The C to D velocity is 20 minus 10. Okay, the y coordinates are 20 minus 10, x coordinates are 8 minus 5. Okay, that is 10 by 3 is that is a 3.33. Already we have considered D to E. What is the velocity? That is a 1.25. There is a two components are there. Average velocity, how do we find out? Okay, now there is a velocity from one point to another point. There is a two velocity components are by total components. Okay, that is only we are taking. Understood or not? Yes, that is. And in case I we are taking I. No, it is only the correct way we are taking. Understood or not, all the students? Yes, I hope you got it. It is. Sorry, 2.29. Got it? Yes, this is the way we have to find out the one is the linked with another one. Okay. Yes. Next. Yeah. Next component. Multi-region type questions are there. If the velocity time graph is parallel to the time axis, if the velocity time graph is parallel to the time axis, the body will be moving with a uniform velocity. Body has zero acceleration. It's a displacement can found by finding the area of time graph. Slope of graph will be zero. Okay, now everything is the correct answer only it is. Okay, clear or not? Multi answers type reason type questions na every answer is the correct only. Why? Because na there is the fifth question once analyze it. Okay, now it is the one actually parallel to the time graph, velocity and as well as the time it is. Once check it, it is a uniform velocity or not? Uniform velocity or not? It is a uniform velocity. Every time to time it is a contain same velocity only. The body contains same velocity, equal distances traveled in equal time intervals. Okay, now because of this velocity, that's why it is a uniform velocity only. Yes, there is a when the body is moving with a uniform velocity, the acceleration of the body becomes zero. Why? Because there is no change in the velocity. No change in the velocity, nothing but acceleration will become zero. Got it or not? Next, after this, its displacement can found by finding the area of a time graph. Okay, clear or not, all the students? You know very well. Yes, velocity by the thing is given the one below the area, given one. Okay, the one of the rectangle. Okay, now the below the area is the given one. Yes, when we take an area of it, okay, it will be provide what displacement only. Okay, now and next one trapezium base we already discussed it now. The reason what the trapezium is looks like in this man. Okay, next one is the what the slope of the graph will be zero. Okay, now there is a no change in the y coordinate, there is a no change in the x coordinates are changes, but y coordinates are not changes here. Okay, clear. There is only y coordinates on y axis. There is a r are in same points only. There is a no y2 minus y1. Here, suppose I am taking 2, here also it is a 2 only y coordinate. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The point is a become what now? 1 comma 2. It is a 2 comma 2. It is a 3 comma 2. It is a 4 comma 2. Then slope is equal to become what? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then it is also become what? 2 minus 2 by something it is 0 or not. It is whatever may be at the numerator it is 0. It is become 0. Slope is 0. Everything is the correct answer only. A, B, C, D. Okay, 3, 4 things are correct only. That is a multi-answer reason type questions. In the multi-reason type questions, more than one answers may get for. Okay, now yes. Next, match the following. There is a displacement versus time curve is a given. Okay, now then match the following are given here. Yes, the all are answers only for a fifth question. Yes, A is answer, B is also answer, C is also answer, D is also answer only. Okay, next sixth question. Once check it, what is the graph? What is the graph they given? Like this graph they given. Yeah, what the graph they given? Okay, now they given one graph is like that, and next the graph is like this. Next the graph is like this. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Go to A and A to B and B to C and it is a what? D. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a line it will be there. Okay, now The column A is given as A is the O A is given, and B is given as AB given, and C is given as BC, and D is given as CD. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Means what? O to A, there is a one path they given, A to B another path, B to C there is another path, C to D there is another path. Okay, once check it. What the answers they given in the column 2? Yes, and you have to write answers here like that. Yeah, velocity increases with the time linearly. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Velocity is looks like in a straight line manner. Sorry, students. Now, once check it, velocity increases with time linearly. Yes, A to B. There is a looks like in a straight line form. That's why there is a linearly it is increases. Okay, now that is answer is B. It is a P. We have to write for a AB. And next what the given velocity decreases with the time. Okay, now velocity is a decreases with the time. That is a what a CD actually. Okay, now for the CD you have to write a Q. Okay, next velocity independent of time. Okay, yes, velocity is independent of time. Next one, velocity is a zero. Velocity is increases with the time linearly. Velocity is a decreases with the time. Check once. There is a based on some answers are there is it is a P only. AB is a P, no doubt at all. Yes, and next one it is what they given. OA velocity increase with the time linearly. Okay, yes, that is a P, no problem. And velocity decrease with the time. Where it will be decreases? Once check it here. B2C somewhat looks like in a decreasing manner. Okay, now the curve is like this here. Okay, now decreasing in a manner. Why? Because there is a bump will be there, and then after it will be yes. Once check it. B to the C. Like that it will be there. Okay, now here there is a high velocity there, it will become low. Okay, clear or not? Yes, once check it. The DC, the BC, there is a somewhat time, it will be curve with now bending format is there. Okay, in the BC, there is a BC like this, is there or not? The B2C, the curve is somewhat looks like this. Okay, now yes, once individually you have to take here the BC curve. When we are take a BC curve, okay, looks in this particular form. Here there is a great velocity. Yes, here somewhat less velocity. That's why the BC is the velocity that decrease with the time. Okay, clear or not? That is why the answer is taken for it is a Q. Okay, now Q, which is the BC is a Q. Understood all of you? And velocity is the independent of time, and velocity is the zero. Okay, now C to D, it is a zero. The velocity is the C to D is a zero. There is no change in the displacement. Okay, look like the same curve only. That is why it is the velocity is zero. That is CD is the S, and the remaining is only what? Remaining is a R. Velocity is a independent of time. Okay, clear or not? That will be takes here R. Okay, now answers are these R, E, Q, and S. Got it? Yes, once do it. Yeah, all the students, there is the reasons are there. Once clearly observe the graph nature. Okay, now yes, it is which one is the dependent and which one is the independent of the time. That all the things we have to should take it here. Yes, the velocity is independent are where and velocity is the dependent are where. Okay, now yes, you have to check it here every time. Yeah, seventh one is a very easy. You know very well. Okay, the y is the two actually. The seventh one answer is two here. Okay, why? Because there is the area of triangular path is given by half into base into height. Okay, now it will be what? Half into base into height. There is a what they given. There is in the place of two they given y. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That's why the answer is two for seventh one. Okay, now with this our lecture 3 is completed and given total answers to you. Okay, now yes, every bit to bit answers are given. Okay, now once check. If in case anything is found wrong, please give the information for me. Okay, now just to have a little bit doubted about. Okay, now there is the last question in a IIT Advanced, the fourth question. Okay, now once check it again. In case the average velocity is equal to taken as total distance covered by the total time in that particular area, in that particular principle, when we are consider it will be get 2.1 only the answer. Okay, now that is a 15 by 7 they get for us. Okay, now when it will be become 15 by 7, at that time it will be equal to 2.1 somewhat. Okay, now in that way they give an answer, but it is not taken for the graph. Why? Because in the two sessions there is a C to A one velocity is there and D to A another velocity is there. Okay, the total distance by total time it is given. Okay, now yes, not for it is two. Okay, clear. Once check it done. Okay, that 14th question. Fourth question is only have little bit doubt. Okay, now that but answer is D only as 2.29 it is. Okay, clear. But in another manner, in case you are taken average speed based, okay, now they said velocity, but speed based it is a 2.1. Okay, yes, this is only about our total question and answers for this particular yes IIT G advanced version. Yeah, very good questions here. Now G advanced, now level one somewhat easy. But G advanced is also easy, but somewhat it will be required to give the work for mind. Okay, simply this graph only one check it here. Okay, now where the curve is there, where the straight line is there, where the slope becomes zero. Okay, now yes, where there is a it is not depending on the time. Only on a time there is a what no consideration we are taken. The time is not taken account here. Time is independent means what? With the time it is not changes. It's a change gradually. With the displacement only fraction of a time only we are taken. Okay, for this purpose, A to the B. Okay, now in the only one curve it will be increases with the variation of the no time we are considered here. That is okay now. Like that you are concentrated on that. Next component, lecture 4. Okay, now very easy and important thing. As in this particular part, when you know the equations of motion, automatically you know this all the things. Before going to the equations of motions of a freely falling body, it is the what actually freely falling body equations of motion. Okay, one body is linearly otherwise it is touch with the earth. Okay, now when one body is moving like this here, suppose. Okay, you know very well when the body is moving along this particular direction. Okay, now at that time it is a called what a linear motion. It is a called what linear motion along the one line. It will be moved. That's why it is a called a linear motion or translatory motion we call it. But when one body is freely falling, now there is a aeroplane is moving here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Or otherwise, the board is not moving here. At that time, there is a board motion is not equal to this car motion. Okay, now on the board, so many are applied here. Okay, now you know very well free body diagram of the linear body. For suppose you are taken a car, there is a what normal forces are working as against the gravitational force. Clear or not, all the students? N1 and N2 are working against the gravitational force. There is a road is a given a friction force. Clear or not? But here there is a given what on the board there is somewhat a gravity force is there. There is a no normal forces. It is not touched with the earth. Okay, now there is a gravity forces are working. Okay, there is a no. There is also gravity forces are there on the car, but it is balanced by the normal forces. But here not balanced by the normal forces. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and for this purpose, there is a that whatever acceleration we written A, suppose we written one final velocity of the body, equation of motion. First equation of motion is B is equal to U plus AT. It is not applicable to the flying bodies. Okay, it is not applicable to these flight bodies. Clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. It is. Yes, it is applicable for only the what? For this body. Yes, it is not applicable to this body. Yes, why it is not applicable to this body? There is acceleration due to gravity is working. Okay, now yes, and gravitational force is working. Okay, when the two bodies are one is acting on another with one force, that is called gravitational force. Yes, when the gravitational force is working, the body moving with acceleration due to gravity. Not it is a content for this. Suppose this is a chalk piece. When we are taken a chalk piece, yes, I am not using any force here. Okay, now when it will be come from here, I am not using any force here, but it will be come down because of one force. Okay, clear or not? There is a gravitational force in the working on this chalk piece. Okay, now at that time, okay, now it will be moving with one velocity. This velocity is called what? Acceleration. Velocity coming because of acceleration due to gravity. Yes, how much velocity contained at this particular position? It is not same. It is increased. Increases here. Okay, that is called acceleration due to gravity. Yes, that is equal to on Earth 98 meters per second. At that time, when the body is freely falling from here to here, otherwise, then it will be moving from Earth to the flight mode. At that time, also, one force is acting, whatever the restoring force contained by this. Okay, now, suppose I want to change the position of this duster. Okay, now it will be moving like this. I will give somewhat force here. Okay, now this force is opposed by which one? Gravitational force. Understood, all of you? That's why the equation for the freely falling bodies purpose will not write V equal to U plus AT. We not write V what S is equal to UT plus half KT square. E square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Sn is equal to U plus A get minus 1 by 2. It is all changes. Only one thing. Here, how to change what you know, A is replaced by the G. Okay, A is replaced by the G. Here, G is the what? Acceleration to gravity. Okay, now how it is replaced? How our equation of motions are changed? Yes, as well as somewhat values are there. Okay, time of flight. Yes, acceleration of the body. Okay, now and as well as yes, maximum height reached by the body. Okay, these are the values we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you, students. First, you complete that all the yes lecture 3 questions. Yes, with explanations. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care.